To change the size and style of your mouse cursor in Windows 11, just click on the Start button, type Settings, and click on Settings in the search results. In the left column, click Accessibility, and to the right, click Mouse Pointer and Touch. It's here that you can adjust the size of your mouse cursor. Simply click and drag on this bar, and you'll see the cursor size increase in real time. And right above this, you can also change the look of your cursor between a few different options. The fourth option even lets you select from a few different colors. And you can click the plus icon to select a specific color of your choosing. Click Done and you'll see the change. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.